Welcome to day 5 of our challenge. Today, we are going to be talking about how to challenge negative self-talk and replace it with positive affirmations. We all have that voice in our head that sometimes tells us we are not good enough, smart enough, or talented enough. This is negative self-talk, and it can hold us back from reaching our full potential. But the good news is, we can challenge those negative thoughts with a growth mindset and replace them with positive affirmations. Here is how. Step 1. Recognize negative self-talk. The first step in challenging negative self-talk is to recognize when it's happening. Pay attention to the thoughts that come up when you're faced with a challenge or a setback. Are they positive or negative? If they are negative, it's time to challenge them. Step 2. Challenge negative thoughts. Once you have recognized negative self-talk, it's time to challenge those thoughts. Ask yourself if they are true, and if there is evidence to support them. Often, negative self-talk is based on assumptions or beliefs that aren't actually true. For example, if you're thinking, I will never be good at this, challenge that thought by asking yourself, is that really true? Have I ever tried this before? Is there anyone who can help me get better? Step 3. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Finally, replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. These are statements that are true and positive, and can help you build confidence and resilience. For example, if you are thinking, I'm not smart enough for this, replace that thought with, I may not know everything, but I'm capable of learning and growing. Repeat these positive affirmations to yourself regularly, especially when you're faced with a challenge or setback.